Everyone tells you to find the perfect tool. They're wrong. The future isn't a better dashboard, it's no dashboard at all. Here is why SaaS is a trap. For years, we've been sold a lie, that adding another subscription solves a productivity problem. I've spent thousands of hours building high-scale automation pipelines using Make.com and Relevance AI. And I've realized something. The most successful entrepreneurs aren't adding more tools. They're removing them. By 2026, the software as a service model, as we know it, will be obsolete. It will be replaced by autonomous AI agents. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to shift from tool hunting to agent building. You'll learn why the dashboard is actually a bottleneck and how to build a headless business that operates in the background while you sleep. Let's dive in. Think about your browser right now. 20 tabs, maybe 50. CRM here, project management there, email marketing over there. You spent months finding the perfect stack. But here's the truth, you didn't buy a solution. You bought a chore. Every new tool you add doesn't remove a problem. It just adds a new dashboard to check. You're spending more time moving data between apps than actually growing your business. That's the SaaS trap. We've been conditioned to believe that efficiency means having a better UI, a prettier graph, a faster search bar. But a better dashboard is still just a dashboard. It still requires you to log in. It still requires you to click the buttons. It still requires you to analyze the data and decide what happens next. You've basically become a highly paid data entry clerk for your own software. You're paying a monthly subscription just for the privilege of managing a digital filing cabinet. While you're busy managing the stack, the world is shifting. The gap between having the data and getting the result is where your profit dies. In the old world, you worked for your tools. In the new world, your tools work for you. And by 2026, the dashboard is dead. So what's the alternative? Stop looking for the perfect app. Stop hunting for the all-in-one platform. Because the all-in-one platform is just a bigger cage. The solution isn't a better dashboard. It's the complete removal of the dashboard. We are moving from tool-centric work to outcome-centric work. In the old world, you are the operator. You log into the CRM, you filter the leads, you move the data to a spreadsheet, and you send the email. You are the glue holding your software together. In 2026, that is a waste of human intelligence. Enter autonomous AI agents. An agent isn't a chatbot. It's not just ChatGPT with a prompt. An agent is a system that can reason, use tools, and execute a multi-step goal without you holding its hand. Think about it. Why do you need a project management dashboard if an agent can simply monitor your Slack, update your milestones, and ping the team when a bottleneck happens? You don't need to see the progress in a chart if the result is already delivered. This is where the power shifts. Instead of buying a subscription for a feature set, you build a workforce of specialized agents. Tools like Relevance AI are leading this charge. You aren't just automating a task, you're building a digital employee. You give it a role, a knowledge base, and a set of tools. It doesn't wait for you to click a button. It triggers based on events. But here is the secret. Agents can't live in a vacuum. They need a nervous system. That is where orchestration comes in. This is why Make.com is non-negotiable for the 2026 stack. Make isn't just for connecting apps anymore. It's the infrastructure that allows your agents to communicate. Agent A finds the lead. Agent B researches the company. Agent C writes the personalized pitch. Make.com is the conductor, ensuring the symphony doesn't crash. When you stop buying SaaS and start building agentic workflows, your overhead drops and your output scales. You stop managing software. You start managing outcomes. The dashboard is a relic of the 2010s. The agent is the engine of the 2020s. Now, you don't have to wait until 2026 to build this. You can start replacing your dashboard clutter today. I use Make.com to handle the orchestration, It's the central nervous system of my automation. And for the actual brain, the autonomous agents, I use Relevance AI. The result? I've cut my monthly SaaS spend by 60% and reclaimed 15 hours a week. No more jumping between 10 different tabs. No more manual data entry. Just outcomes. If you want to stop paying for tools and start building systems, check the links in the description for both Make and Relevance AI. Get your setup running now before the rest of the market catches up. Stop managing software. Start managing agents.